Hello everyone! We're here again at Pagkaing Pinoy TV and I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal cookies. In a bowl, we will combine all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon. So we're going to mix it well and then we will set it aside. Using a separate bowl, I'm going to put in the unsalted butter. So this is softened to room temperature. Then I'm going to whisk it until smooth. Okay, so I'm just using a balloon whisk or wire whisk. Alright, so it's now smooth. Next, we're going to add the sugar. So I'm putting in the white sugar and then the dark brown sugar. I'm going to continue mixing it until well combined. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs. Now let's add the vanilla extract. So I'm putting 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and I will continue to mix it until everything is well incorporated. Next, we're going to combine the dry ingredients with wet ingredients. So I've put in 1/3 part of the flour mixture and I will continue beating this until well combined. Add half of the remaining flour mixture and continue to beat. Add the remaining dry ingredients and continue to mix. At this time, the dough will be very sticky and thick, and that's okay. Now gradually add the rolled oats. So I'm using about 3 cups of rolled oats and I'm using a spatula to combine it to the dough. it well. If you want, you can also add dried fruits or nuts. By this time, I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Using a trigger release ice cream scooper, I'm scooping a ball of dough and I'm arranging it in a baking tray with parchment paper. So I'm arranging the dough with 3 inches apart from each other. If you want to make a head, you can prepare this dough and put it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, then allow it to cool down at room temperature before baking. We're going to bake this for 11 to 12 minutes or until lightly brown on the sides. While the cookies are still warm, I want to add more chocolate chips, so I'm pressing some chocolate chip on top just for decoration. With this recipe, I was able to make 24 pieces of cookies. Now I'm going to transfer it to a wire rack to cool down completely. You can store these cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or in the freezer for up to 6 months. So here we are. We now have oatmeal cookies. It's delicious, it's crunchy in the outside and soft, chewy inside. My kids actually love it. If you have any suggestion that you would like me to do on my next video, just comment it below. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon to receive notifications on our next video. And if you want to get the full recipe, just visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com. Don't forget to follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll just keep on eating my cookies. I'll see you next time. Bye! Good.